What's up guys, Mcfgotmillk here and welcome back to another auto video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to thoroughly and deeply clean your rims and tires to make sure they shine pretty. And as always guys, if you like the video, make sure you comment, subscribe for more, because if you do, I'll love you forever. Let's get into the video. Before we get started, you're going to need a few things, which is not that hard. First thing is something called water and dish soap. It's not that hard. I got this bottle from Walmart for like $1 honestly, and works perfectly fine. You put some dish soap in it, some water, that's your water. Next, a brush. Any kind of brush will do. I have this heavy duty one that I've had for a while and I clean it and works fine. Any kind of brush. This depends on how much time you have. You can either use paper towels or a microfiber cloth, doesn't matter, or you can let it air dry, up to you. Last but not least, a hose. Simple water, that's all you need. As you can see, it is absolutely filthy. Even the thing we clean this, nope, still completely filthy. So again, I'll be showing you how to completely clean this thoroughly. Step one, wet it. Just like that. Make sure you get all the loose dirt off so you can see it all running down underneath the car. Make sure you get the tire too, because we will be definitely cleaning that as well. Next step, take your soapy water, spray it all around. Again, this is a degreaser as well. So the dish soap acts as, like I just said, a degreaser. Not that hard. And then also you got your brush. Self-explanatory. Take it, you can wet your brush if you really want to, and then go to town. As you can see, I do have a leak in my air. I already know that, don't worry. Make sure you get in it nice and deep. Make sure you nice and thoroughly clean it. Get all the nicks and crannies in it. Make sure it's nice and polished and clean. And again, take as much time as you do on it as you want, because it is your car, depending on how OCD you are. Next step, hose it down. Look at that dirt disappear. Now I'd say that is a huge, huge improvement. Alright, real quick, you can get down to the nicks and crannies of this, but since it's super hot out, and I really don't care since it's the minivan, I am just honestly going to leave it there, but you can get a gist of what you gotta do. Next thing, for time's keeping sake, I will be toweling it down. It also picks up all the loose dirt, but again, also dries the tire, so you can do what you want to do with it. Look at her shine. Last but not least, add your favorite tire blackener. Again, I'm using Armor All because it's really quick and easy. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. All you gotta do, take it, shake it, go around a nice big circle. Let it sit for a few, and it should completely blacken your tire. And look at that finish. Completely black, and the rims are shining like they're brand new. Alright guys, that's a real quick tutorial on how to clean your rims thoroughly. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.